What's up guys, my name is Ruben. Today I'm gonna walk you through on how to play Nangoja, Elani. Well, as always, if you have a song that you want me to do a tutorial on, just feel free to let me know in the comment area. If you get value off of this tutorial, make sure you leave a thumbs up. And if you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe. Also hit that notification bell so that you're always notified whenever I upload a video. So guys, without wasting any more time, let's kick off right after this. So the song is in key F sharp, and the progression is 1 5 4 1 1 5 4 5 1. So it's only those chords. Well, let me show you how to hold these chords. So the first chord is F sharp. So I'm using my pointer finger to bar across fret number 2, barring string 1 all the way to 6, and then my middle finger is playing string number 3 on the string number 3 on the 3rd fret. My ring finger playing string number 5 on the 4th fret, and my small finger playing string number 4 on the 4th fret. So that's F sharp major chord. The chord that follows is C sharp major chord, this chord. So I'm using my pointer finger to play string number 5 on the 4th fret. This note is C sharp, string number 5 on the 4th fret, and then my ring finger barring string 1, 2, and 3, string 2, 3, and 4, counted from down towards up on the 6th fret. And then the 4 chord will be B chord, where I'm using my pointer finger to play string number 5 on the 2nd fret, and my ring finger barring string 2, 3, and 4 on the 4th fret. So those are the chords that that comprise the progression of the song. So it's 1 5 4 5 1. So you will play that 1 4 5 progression from start to end, and it's a simple song, so I believe that anyone can play this song. It doesn't matter if you a very total beginner. I'm sure if you give it just some time to practice, you will be able to play this song. So guys, well, that's it for this tutorial. Remember to request if you have a song that you want me to do a tutorial on. Just request down in the comment area, and if you get value of this tutorial, make sure you leave a thumbs up. Plus, if you're new to the channel, subscribe and also hit that notification bell so that you're always notified whenever I upload a video. So guys, with that, let's see each other on the next one.